traveling with a baby requires careful planning and packing. We will explore the must-have items for your baby's travel, including clothing, diapers, and feeding essentials. Additionally, we will delve into recommendations for essential travel gear such as strollers, baby carriers, portable cribs, and diaper bags with organizational compartments. Ensuring that your baby is comfortable and safe during travel is crucial, so we will also discuss the importance of selecting the right car seats, sun protection, and keeping your baby entertained while on the go. Finally, we will provide tips for stress-free baby travel, promoting flexibility and preparedness in varying conditions. Efficient packing for baby travel is essential. We will explore strategies for organizing baby clothes, diapers, and feeding essentials to optimize space and accessibility. Additionally, we will emphasize the significance of carrying extra supplies to address unexpected situations that may arise during travel. Being prepared with additional diapers, formula, and clothing can alleviate stress and ensure a smoother travel experience for both you and your baby. When it comes to baby travel gear, certain items are indispensable. We will recommend essential travel gear, including a reliable stroller that offers comfort and convenience, a baby carrier for hands-free mobility, a portable crib for safe and familiar sleep arrangements, and a diaper bag with organizational compartments for efficient storage. These gear recommendations are designed to streamline the travel experience with your baby, providing practical solutions for mobility, rest, and organization. Prioritizing baby safety and comfort during travel is paramount. We will underscore the significance of selecting travel essentials that prioritize these aspects, including appropriate car seats to ensure secure transportation, sun protection to shield your baby from harmful UV rays, and strategies for keeping your baby entertained and content during travel. By addressing safety and comfort considerations, we aim to provide valuable insights for creating a secure and enjoyable travel experience for both you and your baby. In wrapping up, we'll share valuable tips to ensure stress-free baby travel. Emphasizing the importance of maintaining flexibility when traveling with a baby, we will advise on planning for breaks to accommodate your baby's needs and being prepared for various weather conditions. By incorporating these final tips, we aim to equip you with practical strategies for navigating potential challenges and maintaining a positive travel experience with your baby.